Hey everyone, this is Jeetan. In the prior video, we heard about cloud computing and its different service delivery models and certain key characteristics that cloud computing offers inherently. In continuation, it is a consumption based model, which means that customers will pay for the usage rather than upfront investment in hardware or software services, and it allows to have very low capex, and most of the expenditure is accounted as opex. Cloud also provides economies of scale, as most public cloud providers have infrastructure and services across the globe. So when customers want to scale their business in different geographies, cloud ecosystem provides that scale. And as customers build and developers build on cloud services, chances are the cost per unit will reduce over time. And this model allows you to be very cost effective in the long run. Now, when services are categorized in infrastructure, platform, and software services, software layers, the key concept that's being leveraged is virtualization. Earlier, we are used to virtual machines, but through a VMware software, which runs on top of a host operating system and allows different guest OS along with the computing power to share physical resources like file system, ports. And when we are creating VMs in cloud infrastructure, we are essentially leveraging on this virtualization of physical hardware and file system resources and networking infrastructure. But when we virtualize a level up, for example, at a container level, where we don't necessarily replicate guest OS, rather developers package and build applications, containerized applications along with the required libraries, and deploy it as a isolated unit on a on a machine, and that allows you to scale very rapidly because containers are lightweight as the OS. The level of virtualization is not at an OS level. Similarly, platform as a service allows developers with tools, APIs, CLIs, along with the services that doesn't require you to specifically provision hardware and just focus on building applications. Now, in a software as a service delivery model, we don't necessarily see virtualization, but we see a concept of tenant, which means that underlying we are the cloud provider, the SaaS provider is managing different tenants, managing different customers as a tenant on the same cloud infrastructure where the application is being built. So overall, it has a lot of benefits to develop and provision on cloud. And thank you for listening.